No, magapo kami puswoy. Pag magnakapangan niya, manisip mo. Pwede niya hospital. Awitin mo niya masakit. Uri no, di produkto may pag namin, gano'n niya market. Mayata ko at nga matuloy yung rangkay. Tapno, lumang ay nati barangay puswoy.
As we know, Barangay Puswoy is among the 5 barangays in the province of Kalinga that are facing major socioeconomic challenges due to its remote location and isolation from the rest of the province. Because the area is so far away from the municipal proper, people do not have access to essential government facilities and social services, which have made them feel neglected and discontented for many years. With the construction of the bridge at Puswoy, we expect the situation here to dramatically change. This bridge will not only connect the barangay to neighboring areas but will also foster trust and cooperation between the government and the people of Balbalan and Kalinga as a whole.
Dati siguro, alam nyo nung 1980s, nung malakas ang insurgency dito, walang ganitong nakakarating na project kasi walang peace and order. Ngayon na may peace and order na, at least itong mga project nakakarating na. Tao na sana dito ngayon because we are now bringing the government closer to the people. Sana wala na mag-isip o walang awang mamaalinaw. Please, let's now support the government kasi at this time, nakikita nyo naman, dumarating na yung mismo yung servisyo ng gobyerno sa community.